Are you looking for the best space-saving furniture to make a small apartment, bedroom, home office, or living room more functional? Modern convertible furniture can provide seating, storage, dining, working, and sleeping space without making your room feel crowded. In this video, we've selected the 5 best space-saving furniture of 2026 based on versatility, build quality, storage capacity, comfort, ease of use, and overall value. From folding tables and wall-mounted desks to convertible sleeper chairs and Murphy beds, these smart furniture options can help you maximize every inch of your home. Stay tuned until the end to discover which product earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. COMUHOME Extendable Drop Leaf Folding Dining Table. Starting our list at number 5 is the COMUHOME Extendable Folding Dining Table, a practical space-saving option for apartments, kitchens, and small living rooms. Its 2 drop leaves allow it to work as a full dining table, compact console, or half-open desk for studying, working, and casual meals. When fully extended, the table measures 60.2 by 31.5 inches and can accommodate approximately 6 to 8 people. When folded, its length reduces to around 13 inches, making it much easier to store against a wall. 2 drawers provide space for utensils, stationery, books, and other small items, while the lower shelf can hold compatible folding chairs, which are sold separately. The table is constructed from 18mm plywood with metal-supported legs and a food contact-safe tabletop finish. Its water-resistant coating makes spills and stains easier to clean. 4 caster wheels allow convenient movement across carpets or hard floors, and 2 wheels can be locked for improved stability. The table supports up to 300 pounds and includes instructions and hardware for assembly. Pros: space-saving dual drop leaf design, seats approximately 6 to 8 people when extended, 2 storage drawers and a lower shelf, 4 wheels including 2 locking casters, water-resistant easy-to-clean surface, supports up to 300 pounds, works as a dining, console, or work table. Cons: chairs must be purchased separately. Assembly may be easier with 2 people and a drill. Overall, the COMUHOME Folding Dining Table offers excellent flexibility, storage, and mobility for compact homes. Its multifunctional design makes it our number 5 pick for the best folding dining tables of 2026. Number 4. Tangkula Folding Wall-Mounted Desk. Coming in at number 4 is the Tangkula Folding Wall-Mounted Desk, a smart space-saving solution for small bedrooms, apartments, dorm rooms, and compact home offices. It mounts directly to the wall and folds down whenever you need a workstation, craft table, study area, or minibar. The desk features a sturdy fold-out tabletop supported by durable metal hinges and a secure locking mechanism. When your work is finished, the surface folds back up to free valuable floor space and keep the room looking organized. Several built-in shelves provide convenient storage for books, office supplies, decorative items, and other everyday essentials. Made from engineered wood and metal, the desk measures approximately 36 by 24 by 58 inches and weighs 35.5 pounds. Its clean white finish and modern design blends easily with different rim styles. However, it must be installed on a strong, solid wall using suitable anchors. The manufacturer specifically advises against mounting it on drywall, plasterboard, hollow wall walls, or thin paneling. Pros: space-saving wall mounting design, folds away when not in use, built-in storage shelves, suitable for work, study, crafts, or a minibar, secure latch and durable metal hinges, clean modern appearance. Cons: requires permanent wall installation, not suitable for drywall or hollow wall walls. Overall, the Tangkula Folding Wall-Mounted Desk is a practical choice for creating a functional workspace without using much floor area. Its compact design and useful storage makes it our number 4 pick for the best space-saving folding tables of 2026. Number 3. Mopio Sophie 4-in-1 Convertible Sleeper Chair. Taking the number 3 spot is the Mopio Sophie 4-in-1 Convertible Sleeper Chair, a stylish and practical piece of furniture designed for bedrooms, apartments, guest rooms, and other small spaces. It works as an accent chair, reading chair, chase lounge, and pull-out bed, reducing the need for several separate pieces of furniture. The adjustable backrest offers 4 positions at 112, 140, 160, and 180 degrees, allowing you to sit upright, recline, lounge, or lie completely flat. When converted into a bed, it measures approximately 34.3 inches wide by 76.8 inches long, providing a convenient sleeping area for an overnight guest. Comfort comes from the deep foam cushioning, ergonomic armrests, tall backrest, and included support pillow. The pearl white boucle upholstery gives the chair a modern appearance, while its spill-resistant surface helps make everyday maintenance easier. Assembly is also relatively simple and can be completed in around 20 minutes using the included instructions. Pros: converts between 4 useful configurations, 4 adjustable backrest positions. Pull-out design creates a full-length simple bed. Deep foam cushioning and tall backrest, includes a small support pillow. Spill-resistant boucle upholstery, stylish design for modern interiors, suitable for compact rooms and guest spaces. Cons: weighs 58.4 pounds, so moving it may be difficult. Pearl white fabric may require frequent spot cleaning. Overall, the Mopio Sophie Convertible Sleeper Chair combines seating, lounging, and sleeping functions in one attractive design. Its comfortable cushioning and space-saving versatility makes it our number 3 pick for the best space-saving furniture of 2026. Number 2. Guyii Extendable Coffee Table with Storage Tools. Taking the number 2 spot is the Guyii Extendable Coffee Table, a multifunctional furniture system designed for apartments, small living rooms, and homes where every inch of space matters. It works as a standard coffee table, raised workspace, storage unit, and full dining table. When closed, it maintains the compact appearance of a modern coffee table with hidden storage inside. The pneumatic lift mechanism raises the tabletop smoothly, creating a comfortable surface for working, eating, or relaxing. When fully extended, the table can accommodate up to 8 people, making it useful for family meals and small gatherings. This set also includes 4 matching stools, each offering additional storage space when not being used for seating. Lockable universal casters make the table easier to move and help keep it stable once positioned. Constructed from engineered wood, it supports up to 200 pounds and is designed for regular indoor use. Pros: functions as a coffee table, dining table, workspace, and storage unit. Fully extended design seats up to 8 people. Includes 4 matching storage tools. Pneumatic lift top mechanism. Cushioned closing system improves safety. Hidden compartments provide generous storage. Lockable caster wheels make repositioning easier. Modern space-saving design. Cons: heavy 180.8-pound construction. Assembly is easier with 2 people. Ships in 3 separate boxes that may arrive at different times. Overall, the Guyii Extendable coffee table delivers impressive functionality for compact homes. Its expandable tabletop, lift mechanism, hidden storage, and included stools make it our number 2 pick for the best space-saving furniture of 2026. Number 1. Rophefx Queen Murphy Bed Cabinet. Claiming the number 1 spot is the Rophefx Queen Murphy Bed Cabinet, a highly practical solution for guest rooms, home offices, and multi-purpose spaces. It folds into a slim cabinet when not in use, freeing valuable floor space for working, exercising, or everyday activities. The bed uses a dual-piston lifting system for smoother opening and closing. Its flexible slat support follows the body shape and helps distribute pressure for improved sleeping comfort. The frame supports up to 900 pounds, although the queen-size mattress must be purchased separately. Storage is another major advantage. The cabinet includes a 5-tier shelving unit on each side, with adjustable partitions that let you organize books, decorations, office supplies, and other essentials. Shaker-inspired trim, a gray laminate finish, concealed screw holes, and gold-colored handles give it a clean and modern appearance. Pros: folds into a cabinet to save floor space, supports up to 900 pounds, smooth dual-piston lifting mechanism, flexible slats improve mattress support, 2 5-tier storage sections, adjustable shelving for different sized items, stylish modern design with gold-colored handles, ideal for guest rooms and home offices. Cons: queen mattress is not included, requires significant assembly, cannot be installed on plaster or foam brick walls. Overall, the Rophefx Queen Murphy Bed Cabinet combines comfortable sleeping space, generous storage, and an attractive cabinet design. Its excellent versatility makes it our number 1 pick for the best space-saving furniture of 2026.